Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to open a Deliveroo account. Now we can go ahead and do this via our mobile phone or smartphone, or we can also do this in our PC or laptop. Now I'm going to be showing this in our PC or laptop, but we can go ahead and follow the same process when we are using our smartphone. All we need to do is to either go through our web search right here and then look for Deliveroo sign up, and then it's usually the first one right here. So this one, so the Deliveroo riders is completely different to the Deliveroo sign up right here. So we're going to be taking a look at this one. Now once that we have clicked on this, we should be able to see some form of sign up right here. If you have an account already, then we can go ahead and log in. And of course, since we are signing up, we can go ahead and sign up via Facebook, Google, Apple, or even via email. If you're following this via your smartphone, you can go ahead and download the Deliveroo app on the App Store or via Google Play. You can go ahead and click on these, or you can go ahead and search them up on your mobile phone. Now I'm going to be going ahead and signing up via email, and then just go ahead and type in the email. And then let's go ahead and click on continue. Now you will need to go ahead and verify your phone number. So you need to go ahead and add in your phone number. Depending on your country code right here, make sure that this is correct. And then you will be sent a 6-digit code for verification. Now once that you have added in your phone number, just go ahead and look through your mobile phone and look for some form of message from Deliveroo, and then type in your verification code. And then just go ahead and click on verify, and then you can go ahead and fill in this by filling in your name, your last name, and your password. And of course, there are some specific requirements that you need to pass. So for the password, it must be at least 8 characters long. And there you go. Once that you're happy with the information, just go ahead and click create account, and it will log you into your newly created Deliveroo account. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.